It's not just about the visuals, it's about the behavior, and the behavior lives out there, not in here. Will our users do this? Will our users need this feature? Will our users like this? Is this something that our users want? When you have those kind of questions, the first thing you should do is GOOB, or what we call GOOB, get out of the building. Having a culture of decision-making that's outside in facing. It's not a course about making it pretty or just creating something that is mediocre or boring. But at the end of the day, you'll be able to think so differently, I hope, about your mobile UX strategy and how to approach it, what to look out for, and what to avoid. A warm welcome to you. See you in the next lesson.